In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize PDF files with Claude AI. By the end, you'll be able to upload a PDF, give clear instructions, and get concise, useful summaries without any hassle. First, head to the Claude website and log in. Once you're in, open a new chat so you have a fresh space to work. This is where everything happens: uploading your document, writing your prompt, and reading the results. If you don't see the message box right away, scroll to the bottom of the page. Next, look for the plus icon near the message area. Clicking this opens the file options. You can choose add files or photos, then navigate to your PDF, or simply drag and drop the PDF directly into the message box. Drag and drop is great if you already have the file handy on your desktop. After adding the file, wait a moment for it to finish uploading. You'll know it's ready when you see the file name appear above the message field. With the PDF loaded, it's time to tell Claude what you want. Clear instructions make a big difference. 2 simple prompts work especially well. You can say, summarize this document in 5 bullet points. This is perfect when you want a quick, high-level overview that's easy to scan. Or if you only need part of the document, try summarize pages 5 through 10. That keeps the focus on the exact section you care about and saves time if the file is long. After you send your prompt, Claude will analyze the content of your PDF and generate a summary based on your instructions. Give it a moment to process, especially for larger files. When the summary appears, read it through to confirm it captures the main ideas and note anything you want to explore further. If you need the summary to be shorter, more detailed, or in a different style, you can say so right away in the chat. From here, you can ask follow-up questions to drill down into specific details. For example, you might ask for clarification on a key term mentioned in the summary, request a brief explanation of a chart referenced on a particular page, or ask for a comparison between 2 sections. Keep your follow-up messages specific and grounded in the document so Claude knows exactly what to extract or explain. That's it. Log in, upload your PDF, give a clear prompt, review the summary, and continue the conversation until you have exactly what you need.